Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. As you know, I bring you interesting videos.
So friends, today we are going to explore the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron. The Q4 Sportback e-tron is Audi's innovative and stylish addition to the electric vehicle market, representing a blend of luxury, performance, and sustainability. Let's delve into what makes this vehicle stand out. Design. The Sportback variant of the Q4 e-tron boasts a sleek, coupe-like silhouette, setting it apart from its more conventional SUV counterparts. Its aerodynamic profile not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to its efficiency by reducing drag. With its sculpted lines, dynamic proportions, and distinctive LED lighting signatures, the Q4 Sportback e-tron exudes modernity and sophistication. Performance. Powered entirely by electricity, the Q4 Sportback e-tron offers a thrilling driving experience without compromising on eco-friendliness. Its electric drivetrain delivers instant torque, resulting in swift acceleration and responsive handling. With Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the Q4 Sportback e-tron ensures optimal traction and stability regardless of road conditions. The vehicle's battery pack is strategically positioned to maintain a low center of gravity, enhancing agility and cornering capabilities. Range and charging. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the Q4 Sportback e-tron provides an impressive range on a single charge, allowing drivers to embark on long journeys with confidence. Additionally, Audi offers a range of charging solutions to accommodate diverse lifestyles. Whether using a home charging station, public fast chargers, or Audi's expansive network of Electrify America stations, recharging the Q4 Sportback e-tron is convenient and hassle-free. Moreover, advanced battery management systems optimize charging efficiency and prolong battery life. Interior. Step inside the Q4 Sportback e-tron and you're greeted by a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. Premium materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and ergonomic design elements create an inviting atmosphere for occupants. The spacious interior provides ample legroom and cargo space, ensuring comfort and practicality for both driver and passengers. Cutting-edge infotainment features, including Audi's MMI touch interface and virtual cockpit, keep occupants connected and entertained throughout their journey. Furthermore, innovative driver assistance systems enhance safety and convenience, making every drive a pleasurable experience. Sustainability. As a fully electric vehicle, the Q4 Sportback e-tron represents Audi's commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship. By eliminating tailpipe emissions and reducing reliance on fossil fuels, the vehicle helps mitigate air pollution and combat climate change. Audi's use of eco-friendly materials in the manufacturing process further minimizes its environmental footprint. Additionally, the Q4 Sportback e-tron's regenerative braking system harnesses kinetic energy during deceleration, effectively extending its range and maximizing energy efficiency. In conclusion, the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron epitomizes the future of automotive innovation, combining cutting-edge technology, captivating design, and sustainable mobility. Whether you're drawn to its striking aesthetics, exhilarating performance, or eco-conscious ethos, the Q4 Sportback e-tron offers a compelling proposition for discerning drivers seeking an electrifying driving experience.
Thank you all for tuning in to today's video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked what you saw and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.